I've always said that a good morning routine sets you up for a productive day. My daily routine begins with my hair. When I order from Lordhair, I know that I'm getting a quality hair system fast. I always order their cut-in and styling service, which means I can wear my hair system as soon as it arrives. No barber, no fuss. Even when I'm in a rush, I can still put on my hair system quickly and easily. Lordhair is my one-stop solution for custom hair systems. The best things in life have to be simple. Lordhair gets my day off to a great start. Lordhair means I'm going to have a great day.
Lordhair, for a better you.